Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of pumpkin seeds and exploring a versatile and nutritious pumpkin seeds recipe. Ingredients: fresh pumpkin seeds, olive oil, salt, ground black pepper, paprika optional for a little kick, garlic powder extra flavor. Wait, want to burn belly fat naturally? See correct video link in the description below. Let's go.
We've got a pretty medium, I wouldn't say large pumpkin there. And you want to cut the top off and then scrape all the seeds down to the bottom. This is going to make it really easy for you to scoop everything out. So once you get everything down to the bottom, you can use the best tool in the entire kitchen, your hands, and just pull that stuff out. You don't have to, of course, but it's Halloween time. It's time to get a little bit freaky and dirty, I guess, kind of Halloween-y. So once you got them out, off. Some people call for not cleaning them and then roasting them. I really can't understand why you do that, but there are recipes that do that, so I thought I'd throw that out there for you. I've never tried it myself. I believe in giving them a good rinse and wash. That way that we can season them and make them taste the way we really want them to, besides the way nature already intended. So here's the secret ingredient. Might be a little different, but we're using an egg white. The egg white is going to help all the seasonings stay on the seeds, plus it's going to create this incredibly crispy texture that's just amazing. If you've never tried it, I really suggest you trying it. It's really cool. You don't have to. You can do the recipe exactly the same way and just not use the egg white if that's the way you'd like to roll. So we're going to get the egg white in the bowl, and then we're going to season it up. We're using 4 seasonings here. We're going to use good old salt, sea salt. Brings a flavor. A little bit of garlic salt, which is really good. Has a little bit of, this one has a little bit of parsley in it too. A little cayenne pepper. And just to balance everything out, a little bit of cinnamon really makes it really nice. So we're going to mix everything up here. And we're going to get it onto a cookie sheet that's lined with parchment paper. You really need to use the parchment paper. You cannot use aluminum foil. Everything will burn and just not work out. So you really need to use the parchment paper. And then we're going to spread everything out as well as you possibly can. We don't really want everybody touching each other. There's something cool that's going to happen with the use of the egg white when it cooks in the oven. Everything's going to turn into like a big crisp in a way. So we're going to go straight in the oven here. 400 for 15 minutes exactly. Make sure your oven's preheated too. Already looking beautiful. Doesn't that remind you of like Thanksgiving, all the good stuff that comes this time of year? The color, everything. It's crispy, it's delicious, actually healthy for you too. So check that out. Really great. That's where this texture is coming from. So all you got to do is crisp it up, or make everything break up with a nice little fork there. You can use your hands. Get them in a nice serving bowl. You can just leave it on your counter. So as you're going through, just grab a few, take a couple bites during the day, or serve them at a party.
Are you ready to burn belly fat naturally? Watch the secret video link in the video description. The link will be deleted in few dias and never up in this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.